Did your iPhone start showing weird pop-ups, slowing down, or randomly redirecting to strange websites? Many users think this is a virus, but it's usually spyware or adware. I'm Protech Genius, and I'll show you the 6 essential steps to delete those threats and restore your phone's security right now. Our first step is to clean up the browser. Most virus symptoms come from malicious website data. Go to Settings, scroll down to Safari. Scroll down again and tap Clear History and Website Data. This action nukes all those tracking cookies and redirect scripts. The second, and most critical step for spyware, is checking for suspicious profiles. Go to Settings, select General, and then scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management, or sometimes just Profiles. If you see any profiles listed here that you don't recognize, especially anything related to MDM or a sketchy ad company, tap on it and select Remove Profile. This deletes the biggest source of hidden spyware. Next, you need to delete suspicious apps. Did you recently download a new game or utility app? Go to your home screen and manually scroll through your apps. If you see anything you don't remember installing, tap and hold the icon and choose Delete App. Our fourth step is checking your downloads. Files you download from the web can sometimes contain bad trackers. Open the Files app. Go to the Downloads folder. Manually look for and delete any recent zip files, configuration files, or documents you don't recognize. Next, check your location settings. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Location Services. Go through the list and change any suspicious app that is set to always to either while using or never. This prevents hidden tracking. Finally, the best defense is an updated phone. Go to Settings, select General, and then Software Update. Install any pending updates immediately. This closes any security holes that a virus could potentially exploit. By following these 6 steps, your iPhone is now clean and secure. Remember, the best security is staying alert. If this video saved your phone from those annoying pop-ups, hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and let me know in the comments if you found a suspicious profile.